The day we went climbing, we went to the local shop that was underneath the climb, and we learned about the gear, learned about the safety of the gear. Today we're going to climb Funäsberget mountain. We just hooked onto the cable with our gear and started climbing up, and it was exciting because it was hard to get going at first, but once we did, we were able to do a bit of climbing and then do a really beautiful hike.
I'm having a great time climbing all these boulders!
Because I didn't have climbing shoes, I slipped at the beginning of the climb, and I felt a little scared at first, but once I was able to move past it, it was exciting.
Woo! We made it! High five. Woo!
3 important things you need to think about while mountain climbing is first, always be strapped to a cable, always wear a helmet, and never be alone.
If people are interested in doing the cable climb, I would say do it, absolutely, because you'll get an adrenaline rush during the climb and you'll also be able to see the beautiful landscape.